Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. We're going to show you the GNET GK dashcam. It's a 4K dashcam with Wi-Fi connection to your phone, and it also has the cloud. So if you provide a hotspot in the vehicle, you can see this camera pretty much from anywhere you want. And the system also has a screen, so we're going to show you the screen. All the functions that we change on the screen can be changed on the camera on the app also. So we have the touchscreen in here. We have the Wi-Fi connected, so the Wi-Fi function is here, so that will allow us to connect to a phone. We have the setup in here. We have the system monitors the vehicle voltage, so low battery protection. It monitors the vehicle voltage, and we set up at 12 volt. You can change that one to be 12.3. You can have it changed to 11.3, 11.5, 11.8. We keep it on 12. Now this is a nice feature. It has the 3-wire or 2-wire connection. The 3-wire connection, which means you're going to have to find accessory, and that means that the system will know as soon as you turn off the ignition, the system will not automatically go to parking mode. As soon as you turn it on, it will go back to regular driving mode. But if you're in a vehicle that you only can find constant power, so you can set it up as a 2-wire connection, connect both of the wires to the same constant power. The system's still gonna monitor, but by knowing it's a 2-wire, it will go to parking mode after a number of minutes. So it's not gonna be staying full recording the whole time. It knows it's a 2-wire, so when it sees there's no movement, the GPS is not connected, or it's not moving, it will automatically go to parking mode after a few minutes. The system has you can see here all the videos for the recording for the front and the back. We have the event option here, so event parking, how much time the event will record, so we can do it to record more time when there is an event. We have the parking settings, so if you want to have it at parking on, motion detection, we're going to put it to the on position, so that way if there is any motion during parking, it will record also. Impact settings, so this is not during, so this is the event, this is the impact setting. You have the impact on, and sensitivity is so the sensitivity is high, basic, or low. So basic is just the lowest one, and basic is the medium, high, and low. Okay, and I'm gonna go back. We have the ADAS, which is basically a system that monitor if you're driving away from lanes, or if you have vehicles too close. It's a system that you can use it. This settings, it's up to you if you want to have it on or not. Go to the system in here. We can choose the security LED lights if you want to have it on or off. The LCD, we can have the time off for the LCD. We can calibrate the screen. We can change the time, so we're going to go to the date and time, or we can go time zone. We have to go to the time zone. We're going to change it to our local time zone, so we are GMT minus 5 Eastern Canada. Auto reboot, so the system, because it's working during parking mode, at 3 a.m. it will turn off and restart again. That's feature, you can change the time that you want it to do it. And there's a few more settings you can have on this camera. Very nice camera, true 4K quality. For GNET dashcams, you can always find us at Car System Installation, and you can see it on our website. We'll have a link where you can purchase the camera. Subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.